Alright, if you clicked on this video, I'm just going to run you down on the effects I used, and honestly it was very simple, so I won't waste much of your time here. I mainly used 3 effects: Deep Glow, CZ Vignette, and Gaussian Blur. And that's pretty much it, so here's what I did for each layer. For the 3 circles, our main shapes that shatter, I simply have Deep Glow, and these are the settings. For the text, I also have a Deep Glow on every layer. Now I did something else that you may not do, and that's making a cut on all these layers in the background when the camera zooms in. Because in Iman Gadzhi's animation, you'll see that when the camera is zoomed in, the other stuff is more blurry. So I just made a cut and added Gaussian blur on these layers, right at the moment where our camera is zoomed in. So as you can see, when it's moving from the bottom to the top, the other layers behind are less visible. Additionally, I made adjustment layers and added Gaussian blur to them as well. I then created a mask and moved it to the spot I wanted blurred. For example, the bottom right corner of our main shape and the top left corner. Thirdly, you may have not noticed this as well, is the yellow solid I have here, and that's simply to add that yellowish glow at the top behind our shape. I simply created the solid, made a small mask, and increased the feather. And lastly, the motion blur on the number counter, I just turned it on. And that's pretty much everything for the effects. To add the impact shake, I simply imported the animation into Premiere Pro and created adjustment layers. I applied impact shake presets that I personally have and will leave in the description. Then the full animation was complete, and here's the final result once again.
It does not matter if the US dollar collapses. It doesn't matter if there's a war. It doesn't matter if there's a recession. It doesn't